Hi, this is Deb from Oak Hill Silver Supply, and today I'm going to show you how to attach 2mm leather cord to an end cap so we can make one of those awesome new boho bracelets that's so popular. Okay, we're going to put some end caps onto leather. I'm using a sterling silver end cap that has a 2mm interior, our item number CR15, and we are going to string 1mm leather cord onto it, tie a knot, put a cross link on there, and attach it to our piece of turquoise strand and for a multi-stranded bracelet. So we're going to start, we looped our leather through the cross, we're going to tie a knot in it, snug it up, now I want the cross to be in the center of this leather. So I'm going to trim it approximately right here at the end of the turquoise. I'm going to get my trusty GS Hypo cement. We're going to put some on the ends. I'm going to thread my 1mm into the end cap. Now you can crimp this center either using chain nose or mighty crimpers. I prefer using mighty crimpers. But you want to crimp this center band only. And you want to pull your leather back down. You don't want it peeking out of the top. So I'm going to position the mighty crimpers on the center band. And give it a good squeeze. The center band is tight. You want to test it. And there you have it. Now you're going to do the other end. I'm going to actually line up this. So that's where I'm going to hook it to. Take it down. And we're going to trim it even. The GS cement. Another crimp end. Center band only. You want the ring to be the same plane as the center band. You don't want to crimp it this way. You want to crimp it that same way as the ring. Center band only. Test. And you're on. And we'll attach it.